Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, the future of smartphones is here. Introducing the all-new Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, where cutting-edge technology meets stunning design. This is more than just a smartphone. It's your gateway to the future. Let's talk about the display. The Galaxy S25 Ultra boasts a breathtaking 6.9-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X screen with 3120 by 1440 resolution. Experience fluidity like never before with a 120 Hz adaptive refresh rate and unparalleled brightness of 2600 nits. And durability, it's crafted with a premium titanium frame and Corning Gorilla Armor 2, built to handle life's challenges without compromising on style. Under the hood, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. Paired with 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of storage, it's designed for gamers, multitaskers, and creators alike. The camera system is where the Galaxy S25 Ultra truly shines. A 200-megapixel primary lens delivers unmatched clarity, while a 50-megapixel ultra-wide and 2 telephoto lenses provide up to 5 times optical zoom. Night mode? It's a game-changer with Samsung's enhanced nightography. And don't worry about running out of power. With a 5,000 mAh battery, 45-watt fast charging, and wireless reverse charging, you'll stay powered throughout your day. Samsung's new AI features make life easier than ever. Tools like Audio Eraser remove unwanted background noise, while the smarter Galaxy AI Personal Assistant helps you plan your day effortlessly. Starting at $1,299, the Galaxy S25 Ultra is now available for pre-order. Get ready to experience the future. Available from February 7th, 2025. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon for more exciting tech content. Thanks for watching.